Iniwan sa ere si Digong. Iniwan sa ere si SMNI number 1. Iniwan sa ere si Digong.
Party chairman right now, being a former president, can say anything he wants.
Doon.
But us in the party hierarchy, we are consolidators, we are peacemakers, we are the forefront for peace and prosperity of the nation. So, therefore, whatever other rhetorics above us, so please do not involve us. Wala kang marinig na stand namin na gano'n. Hindi party stand yun. Kundi a former president talking in public. So, do not associate the party chairman talking in public in a prayer rally